Alright. So, the war get hotter now with Devin Di Dakta and Masicka and Shane Skull. So, yo, before going for the man, for like, comment, share, subscribe. Forgive me for the voice. Yo, man, I tried everything to get this voice back to normal, you see me? But anyway, as you can see, actually, Devin Di Dakta, we're jumping out right now. Remember, for like, comment, share, subscribe. Come in, Devin Di Dakta.
On the picture here.
I'm going to tell you if I fuckery. If you sing fuckery, I'm going to tell you you're fuckery. Alright.
Tell me what is that?
Baby church mouse.
Okay. What you call baby church mouse?
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Alright.
Yep.
Where is it the hatchling?
Move hatchling.
No. Don't run the animal.
The fact that him have him son at the front of it, on the intro, tough. It's tough. Can you hear my voice?
Make me teach you how we deal with pit never go on like them brave and bold. Yo, little Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a classic behavior when anger inflates. You're lashing out loud but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response.
Pull it up. Come again.
Look on the picture here and tell me what is that?
Baby church mouse.
Come
okay.
again.
What you call baby church mouse?
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Yep.
Where is it the hatchling?
Devin Di Dakta. You need a doctor.
Move hatchling.
No.
Sick.
Don't run the animal. Make me teach you how we deal with pit never go on like them brave and bold. Yo, little Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a classic behavior when anger inflates. You're lashing out loud but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a path you didn't choose. You're mimicking aggression, so confused and used. Abandon that birth, now me know you're bound to lose. Call Huggins where you're from and people get...
Alright. The song sound like you wanna take your man to class. The song sound like you man say, come here, Shane. Come here. Sit down. Take out your book and your pen. Take the notes. Man sound like I teach him, I teach this man about the badness in a brother.
Made the news that Mr. McDonald, Mr. Ferran, two dudes adopt you as a child while your mommy running loose. You were raised as a fish and you've never been to school.
Two man adopt you, you were raised like a fish and you have never been to school. Shane Skull. Come on now.
You're just a little hatchling behaving like a man. Grew up in a home where Mr. Ferran is your mom. At 2025, I guess people will understand. But I am Jamaican and them the fuck with it. Wrong. Might as well me rest a matic at your head and go supply. But you're just a little child, take the belt in your hand. Go on home, lock up in your room. Yes, you want. Close the buckle around the neck and tight on the ceiling fan. No, wait, before you go cancel that point. Be useful for at least once in your life. Write a suicide note to your favorite dad. Your careless mom, send you for dead in bravery. Who them a send a coulda. This little fool them a send. Hey, can this move your big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with crew back of them. Yow, easy kill this easily quick. Yeah, my beat is sick, me feel it when it kick. Call never.
Oh, wait, Devin Di Dakta. They all this time. I see people on TikTok I say, yo, this man a look a comeback. But the man sang tough. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Feed them bullets like supplements, me kill them one a day. Man I pro from me a teen, all when I turn them gonna wear. Copper modify them body, GMO me gonna spray. Autolysis him swell up then. Man say feed them supplements like one a day. Yo. But now lie still, you know. Dark tough, you know. Should you make your daddy boots and your little bait him a run him too afraid. Now say you can't this if you brave, but rifle there you fi pull your screw face. Walk your rifle and the munga me gonna rebel. Left him body on the ground looking intolerable. Toss the one in the clip jelly a jam when it a kick. Them not evil barely but evil the pan a level. Look how Shelly skin smooth like when fabric rich. But the sodomite sit down I imagine piss. Shane McDonald you are your daddy's bitch. You take your sister virginity, what the fuck is this? Did I just hear some type of incest thing, bruv? Shane Skull, please address this. What kind of incest thing is this? I don't like the sound of this. I'm going on no more blood clots today, you fucking incest perpetrator. Take your sister innocence, then come and go on like you're a bad man. Yeah, just loop the chorus down, call it a day, yeah. Who them a send a coulda. This little fool them a send. Hey, can this move your big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with crew back of them. Yow, easy kill this easily quick. Yeah, my beat is sick, me feel it when it kick. Call never. What is this? Be a dead cock. way. Me shoot one of them, I'm only bad with crew back of them. Yow, 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 why is it kill this easily? Quick, quick, yeah, my bait is it.
Alright, hold on. First thing first. The thumbnail of the song. Crazy, crazy work. Crazy work. The thumbnail of the song, crazy. Creative. Disrespectful. Very disrespectful. However, now, Devin Di Dakta, I hope you know say you have a lot of odds against you, because remember say if my memory serve me right, didn't people box you up on them something there, bro? So you know say them are gonna use that against you, I say you can't sing badness to man when time and box you up on them thing there, you see me? So you have to kind of take that into consideration. However, nah lie still. The song no 10 out of 10. I know 10 out of 10, but the song tough. Me da give it a 8.5. You see me? I begin at 8.5. You see me? Not a star level. You see me? When you play FIFA, you have 3-star skiller, 4-star skiller, 5-star skiller. Yeah, I'm a 5-star skiller in FIFA. So if you don't want to come play me in a FIFA, comment down below and I don't know. You see me? Because me a thugs in a FIFA. Well, FC 25 and going up. Anyway, the song is like a 3-star skiller. Because the war just beginning now. And I believe say when you're at war, we need a 5-star skill from the jump. We need no 4, no 3, no 2. We need 5-star. We want the war start off hot and hot. So chat when you comment down below, make me know what you think about the song. Yeah. And comment down below, make me know if you think say, you know, me over exaggerate. I'm the ratings and the stars. You see me? But like me say, me get a 8.5, a beginner level. You see me? Me there's nothing wrong with the song, you know. Me just not think it's ready for you. Like, I feel like I dey warm up this. You see me? You know when you play football, I just go warm up. You know the actual match. The match not start yet. I saw the song sound. You see me? But my get a 8.5, you know, it's a 3-star skiller. Me not go be too hard for the dog. You see me? But yeah, him can give me a little bit more. Him can give me a little bit more. Me and my chat need a little bit more. A little more twips. You see me? We need to just get a little bit of salt and some twips and drop it. Because it not sound bad. It not sound bad, you know? Your punches, you know? Here and there sound good. Me have to go listen to Shane Skull now and make you know what I think about Shane Skull. You see me? But the song just sound like, yeah, introduce him to the war that me like. That's how me give you an entry level 8.5 and a 3-star skiller, you know? So yeah. Well anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, make me know what you think, you know. Song alright so far.